This is the Samsung Music Studio 5 speaker, and it's part of their new 2026 sound device lineup. Is it any good? Well, let's find out. The first thing I like is the design, because it doesn't look like a typical speaker, and it definitely doesn't look like a soundbar. I see it more as a lifestyle speaker because it has this clean, modern look that will blend into any background of any space. I even built a custom shelf to install it underneath my outdoor deck TV. The Music Studio 5 is connected to my Amazon Fire Stick TV through Bluetooth. Because of that, I can turn the TV on with the Fire TV remote, open YouTube or YouTube Music, and control the speaker volume from the same remote. That means I don't have to grab my phone, I don't have to use a second remote, and I don't have to walk over to the speaker to change the volume. I can sit outside, hit play, and adjust the volume right from the Fire TV controller. For my outdoor setup, this is an absolute game changer because it becomes an extension of the TV. Sound-wise, the biggest difference compared to the TV speakers is the fullness in the sound. It just sounds way better. Now, I'm not saying this replaces a full home theater system because, well, that's not what this is. For music, casual videos, and background playlists, it's been a big upgrade for me. Now, I'm gonna do a quick sound demo so you can hear the speaker in this space. And to avoid a copyright flag, I'm gonna play my theme music, which I wrote, so I can't get in trouble for this. Give it a listen. What I noticed is that even as the volume goes up, it still sounds balanced. It doesn't get harsh, and I don't feel like I need to crank it just to enjoy the music outside. The other thing I noticed is that it fills the deck better than I expected. Outdoors, sound can get lost pretty quickly because you don't have walls helping it bounce around. But with this, I can sit farther back and still hear the music clearly without it blasting it. Now, the reason I built a custom shelf for it is because it's so easy to use after connecting it to the Fire TV streaming stick. With the remote, I turn the TV on, open YouTube Music, pick a playlist, and that's it. No complicated setup, no constant tweaking. It's basically part of my outdoor TV. And honestly, that's usually a good sign of a good product. So the Music Studio 5 is for somebody who wants better sound without a giant speaker setup. If you listen to a lot of music, stream videos, or you just want a stylish speaker that doesn't take over the room, this is worth checking out. I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy. Be sure to follow me online, and thanks for watching.